Today I will be talking about selfie sticks and how they can be used with Trnio. Selfie sticks are more than just a fad from 2014. We have found that they can be very useful when combined with Trnio to help users like you scan bigger and better things. When scanning anything on the larger or taller side, it's useful to use a selfie stick to get those higher up and harder to reach angles. Selfie sticks are available all over the internet. I got mine for about $12 on Amazon. One thing that seems to be a very popular item to scan is statues. When finding a statue to scan, try to find one with a lot of detail that can help Trnio pick up the difference between the statue and its background. Here you can see I used a selfie stick to scan from a higher and wider angle, just like I would do when scanning a smaller object. Because I was able to scan the top of the statue with the selfie stick where I would normally not be able to reach, my scan is complete and there are no holes at the top of my model. When you are using photo import, try to use all 80 photos available to make sure you are getting as many angles as possible into your scan. Again, you are going to want to scan in softer lighting, making sure there are no harsh shadows or reflective surfaces. When scanning outside, choose a time when there are cloudy skies. Another very popular item to scan is a car. Cars can be tough because they often have reflective surfaces on the body and the windows, especially if they're clean or new. If you want to scan a car, try finding an older one or one that hasn't been washed recently. Using a selfie stick in this scenario won't help with the reflectiveness, but can still help in reaching the top of the car. Here I try to scan a Jeep Rubicon. You can see that the scan with the selfie stick created a much more comprehensive model of the top of the car than the one without the selfie stick. Thanks again for watching, and make sure to keep an eye out for more tutorials coming soon.